Hey everyone, so I'm going to do another example, but this time not from Edibit, and therefore I have it in the Word document. And it is to build an object or dictionary mapping letters to numbers and then looping through a string and replacing letters with their corresponding numbers. So for this, you need to know what a dictionary is. And dictionary equals x defined by y. So we want to map through letters and return a number. Okay, so first let's do a public class dictionary public static void main things a little different, and then move through letters. How do we do that? I actually didn't know how at first, so this required some Googling, and that's when I figured out there was a thing called map using a hash map. So I did that, and that looks like map string map equals new hash map string. Perfect. Don't forget your semicolons, and by you I mean me, because I always forget my semicolons sometimes. Always, sometimes. Okay, now it also included map.put, and then in the Stack Overflow example I saw, it was like dog, animal. So it tells you that when you put in dog, that's an animal. Also, when using this map, it requires an import. So I need to import java.util. Asterisk semicolon. Obviously we don't want dog, we want a letter, for example, and I'm just going to equate that to 1, keep it simple. And then I'm going to want to do that, many more times. Oops. B2. Forgot I don't want to capitalize it. C3. Whoops. D4. And remember, Java likes double quotes and not single quotes. Dot put E5. Okay. And now we want to write through all the words, or we want to loop through our letters, so we definitely need to do a for loop. So for int I equals 0, I is less, I is less than 0, I is less than word, is less than word. Dot length. Now I have to define word, because also remember an array, a word is an array rather. So string word equals a new string. Cornucopia, did I spell that right? Well, actually, the great thing about Word is I can make sure I spell things correctly. Okay, word.length, I++, open bracket, close bracket. Okay. And we want to print this is also something that I had to Google because I wasn't sure how to change a character to a string, because I realized that to loop through a map I needed char at. So then I needed to print out the char, the character, and I wasn't sure how, so I looked it up to find this part as well. Map.get. So originally I had map.get word dot char at I. Yeah. So this is the char, but I realized I needed to turn that into a string. So get character dot toString word, and don't forget that extra parentheses. So that should work. Can test it out. Oh, there we go, guys. Okay. So it's printing, okay, get it? So it's printing DOG, D, hello. It's going back in 5, going back hello, 7 hello. Okay, perfect. So obviously we don't want hello in every word. It's gonna print out 4, 5, 7. Or 4, 1, 5, 7. Your name, my name is Cherie, so it's gonna be Cherie. And there you go. 3851895. That's my name. hopefully you enjoyed that. There are definitely struggles that I went through. You're gonna go through them, so hopefully that was real, raw. But I mean, it's the honest truth. So struggling is a part of this all. Thank you for sticking around, and hopefully you follow along. I'm gonna go and treat myself to some brownies. All right, see you soon. Bye.